How to reverse mouse scrolling direction on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can reverse your mouse scrolling direction. So now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your device manager. You can just search for it in your search bar and then open it up. After you open it up, here you will find mice and other pointing device. Just tap on it and choose your mice. So after you do that, go to driver, and under driver go to driver's detail. Now leave this tab open right here, and what you want to do is go to your search and search for registry editor. Run your registry editor as administrator, and here what you need to do is expand this HKey local machine. After you open your HKey local machine, go to your hardware. So here go to your system. After you're on your system, you'll need to scroll down a bit. And after you're on your system, you'll need to search for current control set and go to enum. So after you're on HID, go to this vid dash dash dash, and here choose this one right here. After you choose for it, go to device parameters. After you're there, go to flip-flop wheel and change this value to 1. After you change it, tap on OK, and after you do so, your device should restart. You should restart your computer or your laptop, and then your mouse scrolling will go to reverse. So it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.